morning. It's already 7, so we need to go now. Maingay yung sasakyan kasi we need to be there by 8:30. So, sabi kasi ni Saika na okay lang na 8:30 or 9 for dumating din. And here's my Dodge! Hindi man lang sila masaya, guys. Flash report. Traffic. Kasi merong na-discuss siya na motor.
Live na din.
Hello guys, so we are stuck in traffic kasi may na-discuss siya na motor rider, and then naunsa na pero medyo may flow naman yung konti pa. Pero nasa side sila ng road kaya ewan ko bakit ganito. Nasa side naman sila ng road, so baka nakiusyoso yung mga tao. So ayan, it is such a bummer, guys. Ew, wala, uy, kaluwi ato, uy. Naan dito pang patay.
Napakay.
Wala, uy. So province already this one. So dito. Wala. Dahil mga mangroves. We're finally here. Nakaabutin kami. Ang daming instructions sa road. Yan. It's my first time here sa Cordoba. It's so province-like. Guys, yan. We're going inside. Guys, so we are done. We are on our home na may pool pala dito. May bright ito. Dito kami sa Gaisano, Grand Cordova. Yan doon yung parking. Yung pinasukan ni motorcycle. Guys, nandito kami sa loob ng Gaisano Grand Mall sa Cordoba. Kalayo na mong Mararagkaan, Gaisano, capital sa ato Pero mura siya kuan katong sa Gaisano nga car ba no? Or sa Hayalay. We are looking for foodie. Hanap muna kami ng foodie, guys. Kasi we're hungry already. Meron pa dito yung putila. Oh, wala namang guro. Pearl stone. Yan yung labas ng
Barbecue.
Ano ng Pepsi? Anong only rice? What's with the only rice deal, bro?
Atse.
Bagong donut.
Ay, may
tayo
coffee,
dito.
oh.
Happy Donut House. Oh, may coffee na. May coffee, miss.
Ah, may kape mo.
Ayan, oh, parang masarap yung donut nila. Oh, sige, coffee, dear. Hi, dear. Wow, ayan, oh. Ito, masarap. Aray. Wow. Tasty. Ayan, we have our foodie and coffee.
Parang mga clerk, no?
Oh, we are on our way home. Medyo natagalan kami. Baka bukas na lang kami pupunta sa sa clinic
Laag na lang sa sisel.
ni Baba kasi medyo matagal. Yeah, kasi 3 o'clock pala yung anong tawag niya? Our wedding. Pero so far, it was a successful one. So, uwi na kami ni Rookie. Medyo okay lang naman yung traffic, hindi masyadong yung congested talaga. We are still moving. Ayan, guys, grabe. Nandito ako sa bridge. Hindi ako laging dumadaan dito sa bridge. Yes. Yes, kaday. Kung ano sana, guys. Oh, yeah.
Why is it expensive here?
Yeah. Kung may bridge na sana doon, kung natapos na sana yung bridge doon sa SRP papuntang Cordova, malapit lang sa amin yun, mga 15 minutes lang siguro, but since hindi pa nangyayari, ewan ko, mga 10 to 15 years pa yun mangyayari. So dito muna tayo dadaan ng Mandawi. We need to go here sa Mandawi. Mga 1.5 hours yung travel from our location. So ayan, I already had my coffee. Medyo okay na ako, pero pagdating ko sa bahay, gusto ko pa ng isa pang coffee kasi kulang yung coffee na yun eh. Ayan, so see you later. Guys, we are home. Sa wakas, nakarating din kami mga 1.5 hour because of the additional traffic from Cordova to Cebu City. Yan, dito sa amin. Yeah, mga 1:30 kasi 2 kami umalis. Yeah, yun. So, grabe. I'm so sleepy. Hindi na lang kami pupunta sa doctor. Bukas na lang kasi wala na. Kukunin pa namin yung results. So, ayan. Oh, grabe eh. Ang saya-saya, bro. Oh, there's a photo bomber, video bomber at the back. So, para ma-energize tayo, guys, uminom tayo ng coffee. Although I already had coffee, pero parang kulang yun na coffee kasi it's not that strong. Here's the donut that we had. We bought the it is from Happy, ano ba ito? How good ba? Well, Happy House. Ayan, ito yung nakalimutan ko kung anong pangalan ito. Happy House Donut. It's my first time to know about Happy House Donut. Tapos ito, parang, ang ganda-ganda kasi ng decoration nila.
Asa ako kani ako?
Tagsa ta.
Yan ko ano.
Ay, mani mo nga, gikaonan ni mo ba? Ang usa? Ay, naka?
Ako ni.
Oh, kana. So friends, I am about to edit my video para bukas, and then I was so bummed to find out this. Oh my god. This is the first time that it happened to me. I don't know what happened, but I filmed 2 videos that day, pero okay naman yung isa, yung yung pangalawang video. Oh my god, I need to refilm that one. So ito yung sinasabi ko, guys. Tingnan nyo, it is so blurry. Grabe. Lahat dito, blurry. Eto. Pero, ayan, dito din. Grabe. Eto, this one is so blurry as well. Tapos, yung pinaka, talaga weird is that, yung ending lang yung okay, di ba? Tingnan nyo, yung ending, yung okay na resolution. Bakit? Bakit? I need to refilm this one. Guys, you cannot see me, but we are just going to watch a video kasi I was with the, I'm supposed to edit, but since yun nga yung nangyari. Let's just chill and watch a video.
In the interface staring back was my own.
Maybe if you were more attractive, then it would be less disturbing.
What? Hi for the faster. I am, but it's right.
Hi guys! So, my gosh, my face is so shiny. Nakatulog na naman ako guys kasi I was so tired gaya kahapon na hindi ko man lang na-end yung vlog. Kahapon, oh my god. So, ngayon, nakatulog naman ako mga, I don't know how, kailan ba ako? Anong oras ba yun? Mga 4 yata, tapos, or 5, tapos nagising ako mga 7, nakatulog ako for 2 hours. So, yan. So, I just shared my vlog, yung video ko today, and also, I'm trying to edit a video para bukas naman, Friday. So, last upload bukas kasi Friday. Tapos, rest day on Saturday and Sunday. So, ayan, oh my God. I feel a little refreshed now. Kasi kanina, kahit uminom ako ng kape, hindi pa rin siya naging I felt sleepy pa rin. Tapos, I already fed the dogs and the cats, and kasi bukas wala akong client bukas, so we are planning to go to Carbon again para mag market, and gusto ko sana manood ng movie tonight. I don't know, let's see, kung may bagong movie. So ayan guys, I think you've reached the end of this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile, and I will see you on my next video. Good night!